Hello! In this video, we will show you how to prepare a delicious Grande morning with your Nescafe Dolce Gusto GENIO S. Adjust the drip tray to the low position. Place your cup on the drip tray. For this capsule, we recommend selecting the XL bar with the selection wheel or adjust to your taste. Lift the locking handle and place the Grande Morning capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Then press the Start/Stop button. Wait until the machine stops automatically. It can also be stopped manually at any time by pressing the Start/Stop button. Once the coffee flow has stopped, the level bars and the hot and cold button will start blinking. Don't lift the locking handle until the level bars turn a steady green. Open the capsule holder, remove the capsule, and dispose of it in a bin. Reinsert the capsule holder. And that's it! Enjoy your bold and lively Grande morning!